Hello everyone, welcome to our JAS Academy. In this video, I will solve one question. This question appeared in 2018 in KCET examination on the topic Calculus of Variation COV. Let us take that example. The extremal of the functional integration from 0 to 1 plus y double dash whole square dx with some boundary condition. Y of 0 is 0, y dash of 0 is 1, y of 1 is 1, y dash of 1 is 1 is option A, y is equal to x cube, option B, y is equal to x square, option C, y is equal to x, and option D, y is equal to root x. Next, we know that the theory behind this example. Theory: necessary condition for y of x to be extremal for a functional given by I of y of x is equal to integration from x1 to x2 f of x y y dash dx is that this f of x y y dash satisfies this condition dou f by dou y minus d by dx dou f by dou y dash is equal to 0, which is known as Euler-Lagrange's equation. Okay, and another form of this Euler-Lagrange's equation is given by d by dx f minus y dash dou f by dou y dash is equal to dou f by dou x. Suppose this functional involves higher derivatives. If the functional involving higher derivative, it is of the form integration from x1 to x2 f of x comma y dash y double dash and so on y nth derivative into dx, then Euler-Lagrange's equation is given by this form dou f by dou y minus d by dx dou f by dou y dash plus d square by dx square dou f by dou y double dash and so on is equal to 0, subject to some boundary condition. Now you look at that example once again. Okay, here you take the functional, that functional involves one plus y double dash whole square, nothing but a higher derivative. Therefore, we need to take that a Euler function. The functional is of the form a functional involving x, y, y dash and y double dash. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus y double dash whole square. To get extremal, we have Euler-Lagrange's equations. Okay, that is dou f by dou y minus d by dx dou f by dou y dash plus d square divided by dx square dou f by dou y double dash is equal to 0. Now this is the suitable Euler-Lagrange's equation for that extremal. Therefore, we need to find all these values in that extremal. That is, first we need to find dou f by dou y. Dou y, that is partial derivative of this one with respect to y but y term is absent, therefore this is 0, and dou f by dou y dash is also absent, therefore that is also equal to 0. Next, dou f by dou double dash, now that is nothing but dou f by dou double dash 1 plus y double dash whole square. Now partial derivative of this one is equal to 2 times of y double dash. Now put all these values in above equation, Euler equation. It will become 0 minus 0 plus d square divided by dx square into 2y double dash is equal to 0. Take 2 outside, dy by dx, d by dx of y double dash is equal to 0. Now it will become d by dx of y double dash y triple dash is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides, y triple dash is equal to some constant c1. Again integrating on both sides, y double dash is equal to c1 into x plus c2. Once again integrate on both sides, y dash is equal to c1 x square by 2 plus c2 of x plus c3. Once again integrate. Now our y of x will become c1 into x cube divided by x cube divided by 3 into 2 into 6 plus c2 into x square by 2 plus c3 times of x plus c4. Now this is our y of x. I will take in the next page. Now I will once again write that y of x is given by c1 x cube divided by 6 plus c2 times of x square by 2 plus c3 times of x plus c4. This is our y. Now by using boundary condition, we get y dash of 0 is 1. It implies that y dash of x is equal to some c1 x square by 2 plus c2 of x plus c3. Now put that value, we get c3 is equal to 1, and one more condition, y dash of 1 is equal to 1. It implies that one is equal to c1 by 2 plus c2 plus 1. It implies c1 plus 2 times of c2 is equal to 0. We call this as equation star, and y of 0 is equal to 0. From this condition we get y of x is equal to as in the above, and then value of directly I will put the values. It implies that 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c4. We get c4 is equal to 0, and one more condition, y of 1 is equal to 1. From this one it implies that c1 by 6 plus C2 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 1. It implies C1 plus 3 times of C2 divided by 6 is equal to 0, and we get C1 plus C2 is 0. We call this as equation star. Now by star and double star solve these two equations. C1 plus 3 times of C2 equal to 0, and C1 plus 2 times of C2 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, we get C2 is equal to 0. Okay, after getting C2 is equal to 0, C1 is also equal to 0. Okay, put all values in this y of x. C1 is 0, C2 is 0, C4 is 0, but C3 is 1. We get y of x is equal to x. Okay, now look at the option. Among those 4 options, option C is correct answer. Okay, now check that one. See, y is equal to f. Option 3 is a right answer. Okay, thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you one and all.